Welcome back. On to a special now. Like we've been telling you, CNBC-TV18 has compiled a list of the top 20 stocks to watch for this year. It's a carefully curated list of companies that warrant a closer look in 2023. Rima is now standing by at the big wall with a mid-cap player from that list. Tell us about it, Rima.
Thanks so much for that. So the stock on my list is LTIM. That's L&T Infotech and Mindtree. Now, 2022 saw the merger of two mid-cap IT companies, LTI and Mindtree. Both these two companies were growing faster than the industry. 2023 will be the first full year of combined operations as a merged entity. And the question is, can LTI-Mindtree continue to see industry-leading growth? Well, first, let me quickly brief you about this new big company. LTI-Mindtree is going to be India's sixth largest IT company with an annualized revenue of more than $4 billion. By sixth largest, I mean it trails TCS, Infosys, HCLTech, Wipro and Tech Mahindra. But despite LTI-Mindtree being 40% smaller than Tech Mahindra compared to Tech Mahindra, which is much bigger in size, LTI-Mindtree has a far more diversified portfolio and it has a presence across all geographies and verticals, unlike Tech Mahindra, whose portfolio is more tilted towards communications or telecom. Secondly, LTI-Mindtree is now going to be bigger in size. Will scale help? It could help when it comes to vendor consolidation deals which are in the market, and it perhaps can now compete with the larger tier 1 IT companies for the large deals. LTI-Mindtree has also outlined synergies that will kick in with the help of the merger over the next 4 to 5 years. Revenue synergies of $1 billion and margin improvement of 200 basis points, which will come by way of efficiency, etc. So that is the guidance that the company has laid out. They've also indicated that they have cash in the books, and the question is, will they be using this cash in the books for opportunistic acquisitions? But what about the risks then? Well, the first quarter of operations, which was just released some time back, was a bit shaky. The company missed the mark on revenues and margins impacted by higher furloughs and integration costs. There are bound to be senior level exits as well. And finally, the valuation is not cheap. It trades at about 23-24 times forward multiple. So the question is, will the merger change the orbit of LTI-Mindtree? 2023 will reveal. But so far, this is what brokerages have to say. Post the Q3 numbers, many of the brokerages lowered their EPS estimates given the margin miss. CLSA is betting on LTI-Mindtree with an outperform rating, while Jefferies, JP Morgan, Nomura are a bit circumspect. Back to you.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Rima. As a standard disclaimer, this is not a stock recommendation. The CNBC-TV18 editorial team does not advise in trading or doing anything in the stock market by trading. Any investor or viewer is advised to carry out necessary diligence on their own or through a certified registered financial advisor or for investment decisions.